Alright, we got Tim up from America. He's gonna do a one-footed special fancy can. And I was showing him how it's done with stock suspension. Just smashing my front fender. He's pretty good, the old Tim. Woo! Oh shit, he's flying. Whee! Oh god, I need to upgrade my suspension. Ow! Poor suspension cannot handle these hits. Come on, bikey. Oh, this is brilliant. Look at this shit. Through the freaking rainforest. Make up some ground, Tom. Probably gonna break something, man. Can't handle these hits. Loving it, man. Whew. This is a brilliant freaking track. Tim's gone though, man. Freaking hell, he's gone. I need technics. I might be able to keep up with him if I had. Oh, there he is. I'm still in it. He's probably having a rest. Oh, I need upgraded suspension though. How to do this shit. Oh no, my race plate. It's gone. No, devastated. Oh, at least I can go back in my video and edit in where I lost my race plate. Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate. Whee, big one. Go through a Tim. Good. This is good. This is great. I love difficult. I love challenge. So this is like a breakout section where it's tricky. Way trickier, very hard this is meant to be, and there's always like an easy route and stuff. Nick took the easy route. I'm so annoyed. I didn't see him like wimp out and go the easy route. I also yelled at him. Oh, this would be good. Up ahead of me is motorcycle David from Motorcycle Adventure Dirt Bike TV. This is brilliant. Like actually good technical freaking bit of single track and stuff. Yes, this is stuff we freaking live for, man. Technical, tight, first gear, good. Ooh. Clunk, clunk. Just smooshing my pegs up against the rut there. Radical, man. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Film that because that's pretty good. Almost. Well done.
Nice.
Not making it up, mate.
Yeah.
Oh. Gotcha.
Right?
Gotcha. You've been got in slow motion.
Oh, 1,000 frames a second.
You've been done.
Bit of vegetation, eh? That's great. Oh, there's a couple of WRs here. Getting a little bit muddy on the old WR250R rally. Bit awkward if you didn't have any other clothes. Gonna have to buy some clothes. Hello. Come on, Tim. Show me some wheel. Cut off. Oh no, I'm running out of fuel. Shit. So me and Brendan were just enjoying our pie and latte and missed a certain step of when you go to a petrol station. And we didn't completely forgot. We got the latte, but we forgot the petrol. We're like BMW riders, man.
And the bush, you can buy petrol for beer, apparently.
Yep, it's the going rate.
You guys haven't got fuel. Oh, no fuel.
We just got publicly humiliated for forgetting to get petrol. Oh well. go, Nick. Yes. Ah, freaking hell. Done it in now. What a freaking travesty. Ah, how embarrassing. You're a goner. Go off now. Whoa. Right in. Alright, boss. Nah. Try.
I'll give you a hand because hang on. Jump on. Hang on. Ready. 1, 2, 3. No, you gotta push it. There you go.
There we go. Thanks. The tricky bit. This is gold. Carnage! It's a big one. Ooh, bridge. Cool. Marquez style, man. I did not mean to do that at all. Alrighty, gents, here we are. First day of the rally done. Wild with a capital Y. That was great. Let's do it all again tomorrow. Whoa. Hey buddy, I just wanted to say hello to you, friend. He's got a mad beard. He looks like Brendan. Alright, gents. Camping after the first night of rally. Same spot. Such a good spot. We came here again. Yeah. Ready for day 2 tomorrow. Early night. Just a couple of little courage drinks, Jack Daniels or 2, and then get ready for all the action tomorrow. Nick, excited?
Yep, I'm excited.
I'm excited.